Well, it's an absolutely gorgeous day as we speak here at the San Siro. I'm Derek Ray, my co-commentator is the former Arsenal fullback Lee Dixon, and we should have a pulsating game of football for you. It's Inter facing Barcelona.
Well, thank you, Derek. All the talking is done. Time now to put the coach's plans into action. Let's hope both teams really have a go at each other from the start of this match. It should be a cracker.
Well, it's impossible to have Lionel Messi in the starting lineup and not talk about what he does so well.
He's on the ball all the time, and his ability on the ball is absolutely phenomenal. He doesn't pass the ball away, he lends it to his teammates because he wants it back. Very difficult to get the ball off him.
The Inter starting lineup. Well, as a team, Lee, they love to apply almost suffocating pressure. Based on the lineup, do you expect the same approach today?
Yeah, I think so, Derek. It makes it really difficult for the opponents to find their rhythm unless their touch is absolutely perfect. It forces mistakes, so I'd expect we'll be seeing plenty of that from them today.
And the Barcelona shape looks like this. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Piqué starts alongside Clément Lenglet in the centre of defence. And the defenders had better be on their toes because leading the line is Luis Suarez. And so the battle commences. Asamoah. And now De Vrij. Martinez. Barella. Eriksson. Barella has it. Martinez. Young. And they've won possession again. Nowhere to go, really. He's being closed down. Jordi Alba. Lionel Messi. Given away. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful. Lukaku. Mastery of the passing game. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. He's lost it. Asamoah. Skriniar. Moving the ball nicely, looking for that final pass. Well, clattered away. Couldn't hang on to it. Suarez. Suarez. Good ball movement and a decent position here for Barcelona. Must score! And Danovic will always have expected to grab hold of that one. We can get more details on that injury situation from our man pitch side, Jeff Shreves. Jeff?
I've got to say, he landed really heavily on his shoulder there and looks like he's in severe pain. But he looks less...
Messi! And a goal it is, the opener in this game.
Well, keep it tight, that's what both managers would have been saying. But now the opening goal's gone in. Tactics have got to change. Well, Derek, this is why coaches tell you to stop the cross from coming in. But they didn't get tight enough and were punished for it.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle. So the game has restarted and it's Barcelona in front. He's in control of the situation. Martinez. Brozovic. Young. Martinez. Brozovic. Young. Now he must favour the cross. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Messi. Wonderful vision from Lionel Messi. Griezmann. Electing to cross into the centre. Making sure nothing untoward happened. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. Well, the post getting in the way there.
Well, that was pretty much the game right there if that goes in, but not to be.
Artur. Sergio Busquets. Messi. Firing it towards goal. And a powerful effort, but just lacking accuracy.
Yeah, narrowly wide, Derek. Decent effort, he smashed it. Well, Derek, he's trying to make himself heard down there. Very difficult to hear the coach from the sidelines. It's still very tight, this game.
Now Brozovic. Barella has it. Eriksson. Inter have given away possession. Interesting idea from Suarez. Lionel Messi! And it's in! A goal for Barcelona! A goal for the Blaugrana! Can they be stopped now?
Well, here it is again. It's just a perfectly weighted ball in behind and not a bad finish either. Great goal.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored.
Well, there's nothing better for a manager when a plan comes together. Total satisfaction.
Well, a second goal for them here. I think he knew he was guilty of fouling. Free kick conceded. Eriksson. Romelu Lukaku now. Moving forward effectively. Oh, a fine block. Barella. Lukaku. And it crossed the byline. A goal kick as a result.
Well, as you can see, Barca haven't had too much of the ball, but on the break they've been devastating. The pace really hurts defences. They've been electric when they've had the ball.
Patient build-up at the moment. Wonderful tackle. The referee correctly decided to play advantage. By no means on his own here. Asamoah. Clattered away. Now Busquets. Suarez. De Jong. It is to be a throw-in. Very good use of advantage there by the official, letting the play carry on and then only subsequently handing out the yellow card.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's what the fans want. They want to see the game going on. They don't want to see it stopped for something like that. You can always go back and book the player later.
Strong play here. The ball with Martinez. Martinez. Now Brozovic. Young. Good technique displayed. And easy meat for the keeper, given that cross. De Jong. We've been waiting to find out. Now we know a minimum of 3 added minutes here. Arthur has it. Now Busquets. Good ball movement and a decent position here for Barcelona. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game.
Esto es para ti, mamita.
Caffè Nescafè ti porta l'aroma e il calore di paesi lontani. Gran aroma, dal gusto morbido e pieno. Classic, forte e deciso. Le grandi qualità di Caffè Nescafè. È un prodotto Nestlé.
Integrali misura, per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma, con tutta l'esperienza misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
Really tense battle so far, and now the second half is underway. Messi. Lionel Messi. Promising avenue of attack favoured by Messi. A very effective clearance. Now Brozovic. On the ball, Luis Suarez. De Jong. Well, body in the way. Now Brozovic. Asamoah. Eriksson. Brozovic. Wanted to keep it but couldn't. De Jong. Now Busquets. Lionel Messi. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. And scope for the cross. Busquets. Sergio Roberto. Oh, a vital interception. Messi. De Jong. And he did what he had to do defensively. And a substitution in the offing. Now Busquets. Well, they're sitting ever deeper. Vidal. Well, great read there to intercept. Alexis Sanchez. Lukaku. Eriksson. Individual quality coming to the fore. And crossed in the direction of the back post. And a throw-in forthcoming. Sanchez. Lukaku. Eriksson. Oh, a fine block. Lukaku. And the cross is very much on. gliding through the gears. Alexis Sanchez. Lukaku in position. And this time, it's in!
Well, it's good play. Ian Wright always told me, stand in the middle of the goal. It sounds simple, but you don't have to get a lot of goals from that position.
Well, let's have another view of that goal. Well, as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs. Vidal. He's protecting it well. Lukaku. Eriksen. Going well. And this is Brozovic. Lukaku! Magnificent stuff. And quite the comeback from 2 goals down.
Well, the pass makes the goal, Derek. Good finish, yes, but the ball through was brilliant. Slide rule pass.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle.
Well, it's not easy being a manager, and that's why. They've let him down a bit there.
Goals are plenty, 2-2. We're now inside the final 20 minutes of the game. The Blaugrana have given the ball away. Now Brozovic. Still passing it around with authority. Young. Useful cross towards the near post. Clearing the lines, and so it will be a corner now. Christian Eriksen handed the task of taking the corner. Well, he had a decent reading of that ball in. Barella. Martinez. Romelu Lukaku now. And everyone in the centre looking on as it sailed over them. Targets available. Eriksen's cross. Back from the byline. And a goal!
Stop the supply, you stop the goal. We learned that one at school, Derek. Poor defending here.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. So the ball rolling again. Can Barca bite back here? Now Griezmann. Suarez. And it's a clever attack from Luis Suarez. The cross is on. And he has been ruled offside here. Can't have been by an awful lot.
Oh, I'm not so sure, but the linesman's got a better view than I have.
And now De Vrij. Kandreva. Now Brozovic. Lukaku. Brozovic. Now Griezmann. De Jong. Now here's Piqué. Longley. They're certainly allowing their opponents to come onto them. And that was a very fine read.
Well, Inter have certainly worked their socks off to be in front here. It's not been an easy game. The fans can sense it too. They're just cranking up the atmosphere a notch or two. The players need their support to get them over the line.
Vecino. Will he find the net? And they've only gone and applied that finishing touch.
Well, as we can see, the keeper's done his best, but there's nothing he can do from there. He's not going to miss that one.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. So the current scoreline, 4-2. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. And just the 1 minute left in normal time here. Now Jordi Alba. De Jong. Suarez. And the referee says that is all for today.